Ken Royal here for the Royal Treatment at Scholastic. I'm here with Dennis Boulter. He's with Faronics, and I want to ask him about something called PowerSave and also Insight.
Right.
So what about PowerSave?
Well, PowerSave is a really exciting product, Ken. A lot of customers are looking to cut costs, find ways of reducing costs, and one of the best ways they can do that is stop paying so much money to their energy utility for electricity. So we have a product called PowerSave that reduces the wasted energy on their computers.
So how does it do that? I mean, how do you save money on wasted energy on computers?
Well, a lot of the time that we have our computers turned on, they're not doing anything, Ken. They're just idle. They're sitting there. We might have gone away from our desk. We might be working on paperwork. For whatever reason, they're idle. PowerSave is able to intelligently look at when those machines are truly idle and power them down into like a standby mode. And doing that can save, on 1,000 computers, anywhere from $30,000 to $45,000 per 1,000 computers.
That's amazing cost saving. Now, can you do this locally, or can you do it from a central location?
Well, PowerSave's an enterprise tool, so we have a console, a network console, that control the Windows or Macintosh systems that you have on your network. And you can send out new profiles, you can make whatever energy control changes that you want to your system so that all your users are happy and all your IT people are happy.
So you can set the preferences, you're an IT person, you can set the preferences and have the things turn off. You don't have to worry about somebody running around doing a sneaker turn-off deal, trying to make sure to save money that way.
No, it's okay. If somebody else turns it off, that's okay too. That's good practice. But if they fail to do that, PowerSave's going to take care of it right away. And it's also going to measure what you're saving. So a lot of people want to know what they're using today and what they're going to save. And PowerSave's capable of generating reports immediately on the fly to tell you, how much money you're actually saving.
This is sort of invaluable if you're thinking ahead for the future to see what your costs are going to be.
Yeah, and we all know that the government's going to want to start legislating some of this stuff, and PowerSave will make sure you're prepared for that.
And it's a software solution.
Absolutely. Software just goes out. In fact, a lot of our customers can deploy in as little as a day to thousands of machines. It takes care of the deployment for you. It's really that easy.
That's great. And Insight, you have another product.
Yeah, so Insight, we're here at TCEA. And there's a lot of educators around, and they want to get control, as a teacher, they want to get control of what the kids are seeing on their screens, what they're doing with their machines in a lab situation, without having to run around from desk to desk. Insight allows that teacher to see everybody's machine from their one console on their machine. But they can also collaborate with students. They can project their examples onto the students' machines. They can also identify through some limited testing functions whether the students understood the material that was taught that day. So it really does, of all the products that we have, help teach more effectively.
So you have total control of the classroom, but you can also reconfigure the classroom to your best needs instead of making it the round circle where you're looking at all the screens. You can actually see all the screens right in front of you, as you say.
Exactly, and a lot of the times, if somebody's doing something they shouldn't on those computers, by the time the teacher walks over to see what they're doing, they change the screen. Insight can track all that.
This is great for a laptop situation where you have a mobile cart and you're putting the laptops at a desk situation where you can't see everything and you can't walk around, run yourself ragged trying to do that. So you can see that on one screen.
Yeah, and you can actually monitor more than one room at a time if that's what you want to do. So it's really flexible.
That's great too. Dennis, thank you for your time. I appreciate it a lot. So thank you for talking.
My pleasure.
Ken Royal.